going on, friends? My name is Trigbloom. I'm back today, and if I look dirty and disheveled, it's because I am. It's because I just got home from a full day of work, but I have something very exciting to show you. You can read the logo on this box. You probably know what's in it. It's not an EOS PowerShot Vixia. It's actually, well, you'll see it. I bought this refurbished, so they send it in a different box. Let's just get to opening it, and then we'll talk about what it is. That's what it is. So it's a refurbished Canon 80D. I'll go over why I bought it refurbished later. But let's just take a look. Got a battery, a charger, and a neck strap. We've got the 18-55 kit lens, and we have the Canon 80D. It's got a few things going for it. It's got this flip out screen, so I can see myself. It's got dual pixel autofocus, which means you guys can see me better. I'm going to spend the rest of tonight figuring out how to use this thing, and we're going to talk more about it tomorrow. Alright, so this is our first day using this new camera. Hopefully you can hear me a little bit better than what you're used to, because usually you get like wind noise when I'm out here. Right now you shouldn't, because I got this little microphone up in this area. Today we are on our way down to Vista to the HRE Wheels open house. They're probably like the coolest wheel company. HRE, if you're watching this, you should definitely send me a set. I'm super excited. This is like one of the biggest shows in Southern California. Like, this show's huge every year. It's huge, and I've never been to it. I just see pictures and I'm like, man, I wish I could have gone. I'm really excited to test out this new camera. I've been waiting for this thing for a long time. I'm really just excited to see how it does. With that being said, let's go. Alright people, we're here at the HRE Wheels open house. This is my girlfriend Gabby.
What's up, guys?
She's making a special appearance today. This whole video is co-filmed and co-directed by her, so thank her for that. There's a lot of really cool stuff. I know there's not a lot of talking on this. This event's super loud, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. People are starting to leave.
See you guys in 15 minutes at the lobby for the last HRE factory tour.
Alright, we're leaving. The show was pretty awesome. I've never seen a Koenigsegg. Now I've seen all the Bugattis, including the EB110. There's a lot of cool things. Haven't seen a Demon yet. I saw 3, I think. I'd have to go back through and look, but we're gonna head home. This isn't the end of the video. I'm bringing it back home for the end of this video. I just want to talk about this new camera setup and what I think of it so far. What I would have to do before, when I was setting up one of these shots, is I'd have to set it up like this. I'd have to go around and stop recording, and then I'd have to watch the video to make sure everything looked good. I have this flip out screen right over in this general area. I can see behind me. That doesn't sound like a big feature, but it is. I can frame my shots better. Audio. You guys probably notice a big difference in audio. It's because I have a boom mic on top now, right? It's got this nice handy touch screen, so I can pull focus across the shot from foreground to background. You can see it does a pretty good job of keeping things in focus. That car show was super sick, and it was really awesome to just be able to capture things in the way I want to, with the audio setup and with this flip out screen. My microphone battery died when I was filming that, so I just want to finish off the video right now. I'm editing this. I'm almost done. My thoughts and opinions on this camera, it's honestly great. The autofocus is great. Moving from a camera that had no autofocus, it's a game changer. The audio, I'm sure you guys can tell it's better. All around, this is a better camera. Now, why did I buy it refurbished? Regular price of this camera, this whole setup, and I got another lens with it, it would have been like $1,500 to $1,700 total for everything. I paid like $900. There is literally nothing wrong with this camera. It is perfect. I've been using it for days. I shot my girlfriend's graduation pictures with it. I shot this with it. I've shot other stuff with it. My review on the Canon 80D, at least moving from a worse camera, it's fantastic. It is amazing. It is a perfect tool for any creative person who likes to make videos. It's absolutely perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I'm jumping around all over the place in this video, showing you cars and Bugattis and new cameras, and I know. It's all over the place. What do you gotta say, Luna? Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful life. And I will catch you next time. See you later. Have a good one.